Okay, I got my amplifiers in this box that weighs probably about 90 pounds. I'm gonna open this bitch to see what's inside. Man, to get me a knife. UPS man's like, hey, this gas is heavy, so I'm letting you know. I'm like, it's just 2 amplifiers. Well, he wasn't lying. It's heavy. This box is almost as tall as I am. Hang on a minute.
Yeah, a little bit straight.
And these boys packed it, but they freaking packed it. Shit. Oh my Jesus. Here, Maddie, hold my phone. Let's do the knife. Oh, I got it.
Hold on.
Alright, it says HCCA.
I called you this morning, did I? Where'd y'all go?
Ah, look at that. I got the 5Ks because it was going to be another 90 days for anybody else to have what I wanted, but these will do just fine. These are strappable amps, so it'll make one big amp. So, all right, let me get this booger out the box. If I can, do it with one hand.
Let me take her back. Take her to the video.
Oh, it's that kind of box. I figured the whole lid come up, but I guess it don't. This is the V2. The last one I had the V1. Oh my Jesus. Oh, it's a certificate. All right. This is 2019's model. Is that it? My bass knob. And this is actually a really good base knob. The last base knob I got for the V1, it was all plastic and it had the like the headphone jack style. This has got the data cable base knob, but I ain't using it. But I am gonna use the cable though. My strap. Oh no, here's the data link cable. There it is. Okay, there's the okay. Come with the hardware. A manual. Let's see. That was it on that one. And I got another one just like it in the other box. The new audio smell. This is a big bitch. This is the V2. So this is a big ass powerhouse. So alright guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see y'all next time. Made in Korea. Not China. Made in Korea. Korea. Manufactured in Korea. Say it with me. Korea. No China. Korea.